which is take the view that. Take the view that. Again, this is a common phrase that is used with take, and this means to have the opinion. So this is another way of saying, here is my opinion. Let's see how we can use it in a sentence. First, let's make a question. Here's our question. What you think about children starting school very early? How will you make a question with that? That's going to be a pretty long question. What you think about children starting school very early? Make a question with that. What do you think? What do you think about? What do you think about children? What do you think about children starting school? What do you think about children starting school very early? Now, that's one way to ask someone's opinion. What do you think? That means, what is your opinion, right? But let's say, let's see, where is it? I lost my place. So you take the view that. So that means that's your opinion. Let's make a question with it. What view do you take? What view do you take? That's like saying, what's your opinion? What view do you take about children? What view do you take about children starting school early? What view do you take about children starting school early? That means, what is your opinion about children starting school early? So let's imagine someone asks Lisa this question. Lisa, what view do you take about children starting school early? What is your opinion about children starting school early? And Lisa answers, in my opinion, early socialization is important. In my opinion, early socialization is important. What is another way to say, in my opinion? We can say, I take the view that. I take the view that early socialization is important. I take the view that early socialization is important. Let's change this into reported speech. She said that she took the view that early socialization was important. All right, super duper. Let's try another example using take the view that. All right, let's see. Let's make a question, a what do you think question. So, what you think about technology. How will you make a question with those words? What you think about technology. What do you think? What do you think about technology? What do you think about, that means, so what is your opinion about technology? Now we can use this other phrase, you take the view that, make a question with, you take the view that, a what question. What view do you take? What view do you take about technology? And that means, what is your opinion about technology? What view do you take about technology? Let's imagine that someone asks John this question. What view do you take about technology? What is your opinion about technology? This is how John answers. In my opinion, it is both negative and positive. It has both negative and positive effects on society. In my opinion, it has both negative and positive effects on society. What is another way to say, in my opinion, or my opinion is? I take the view that it has both negative and positive effects on society. Now let's change that to reported speech, just for fun. He said that he took the view that it has both negative and positive effects on society. He said that he took the view that it has both negative and positive effects on society. All right, let's move on to another phrase. This is phrase number 7. using the verb to take, which is taken by surprise.